Hi guys, I'm Yuki, Japanese hairdresser. How's it going? Today I'm gonna be sharing with you highly requested Beomgyu haircut from Tomorrow Bright Together. Many people requested of me how to make Beomgyu hair. First, what I want to say is sorry. Actually, I've never heard his name and his group name. So I googled it and then he gave me big impact. I was like, I should have known him sooner. Anyway, are you ready? Let's get started. I will explain this hairstyle before sectioning. Beomgyu hair has a couple of points. 1. We have to cut the bangs under the eye. I mean long bangs must. 2. His hairstyle has no weight point. Last year, I made a short root hair. Do you remember it? What is different between short root hair and Beomgyu hair? It is weight point. I mean round hair or not round hair. No round hair impressed us cool image. We're gonna start with perimeter and we're gonna make an outline. First of all, we have to decide our hair length. The nape length is 10 cm under the jaw point better. If your person have thick hair, I recommend that we should subdivide the hair sectioning into a lots. You will put it down into that horizontal and cut the perimeter now. Secondary, let's make bangs. I'm sectioning bangs area in edge of the eyes. Don't forget, longer bangs better. Okay, we made it. Next step, we arrive at important point. I think it's difficult to do that. We should connect them slowly. Did you catch my meaning? I recommend that you comb the hair forward like this. And then you connect the bangs to the nape gradually. We're gonna bring everything to the guide point when we make an outline. Next, we have to put the layer into this hair. Sectioning is like this. We can find short points and long points around the ears. Short points are face area. So this time, don't touch them. We're gonna pull up the hair in our finger. Do you see it? These are guide points in this area. When we cut this area, we must check that the guide point exists here. We're gonna take a section top area before cutting with middle area. Please divide the hair like this. Okay, are you ready? I will put the layer into the middle area. I'm putting the hair 19 degrees out from the head forward. We can catch the side of guide point while we put the hair. I'm gonna put the layer from guide. Finally, we move making top section. this is guide point. We're gonna put the top section like this, and then we're gonna create the layout from the guide. Thank you for watching my video today. How was it? Someday I will explain this hairstyle detail. Have a try. See you next time. Bye.